For joining me today at Refresh Dermatology on site. We're here with another episode of Skincare Sunday. So when you have that winter skin, is there anything that you need to do that's different? Actually, we do realize that there's a new class of medication that's called a hydrator. So what I'm going to show you is my favorite hydrator. I actually happen to have it with me because this is what I use every morning when I'm here on the slopes. In this particular device by Medica, there are different molecular weights hyaluronic acid. Most hyaluronic acid, it sits on top of the skin and evaporates within an hour and a half to 2 hours, and after that it's not doing anything. With this particular device, there's 3 different molecular weights. One that penetrates a little bit deeper and helps repair the epithelial barrier, one that sits and almost seals off the epithelial barrier, and one that's a larger molecule that sits on top of the skin and truly makes it feel silky. The side effect of this is it actually helps repair some of those fine lines that you're seeing. So if you want to learn a little bit more, please call us anytime. Phone number 713-344-0450, or email us by going on our website, Refresh Dermatology. Once again, Skincare Sunday, Sunil Chilakuri signing off from Refresh Dermatology. Thanks so much.